Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color a rainbow bathroom so easily. Let's start drawing. Step 1. Draw the toilet. We'll start with a big oval shaped like an egg. Then draw a flat circle at the bottom. It's the base of the toilet. Next, connect the two parts together. Easy, right? Step 2. Draw the potty beside the toilet. Let's draw a small, round potty. It's perfect for little ones. Step 3. Draw the washstand next to the potty. We'll draw a washstand with a sink on top. Step 4. Add the mirror above the washstand. Let's draw a big, round mirror so we can see our happy faces. Step 5. Draw accessories. Let's add a towel and some toilet paper to complete our bathroom. Now it looks super cozy and clean. Outline your drawing using a black marker. Trace over the lines to make the drawing stand out. Let's color our rainbow bathroom. We'll use all the colors of the rainbow to make it bright and cheerful. Red for the towel. Doesn't our rainbow bathroom look amazing? Next, I'll show you how to draw and color a bedroom so easily. Let's start drawing. Step 1. Draw the bed. Start with a big rectangle. It's the frame of the bed. Then add the legs and a headboard. Step 2. Add the blanket and pillow. Let's draw a cozy blanket on top and a soft, fluffy pillow. Step 3. Decorate the wall above the bed. Let's draw a pretty flower picture to make the room feel warm and cheerful. Step 5. Draw windows and curtains. Finally, let's draw big windows with lovely curtains. Now the room feels bright and airy. Let's color our rainbow bedroom. We'll use rainbow colors again to make it fun and vibrant. Comma yellow, red, and dark yellow for the flower picture. Pink for the pillow and part of the blanket. Purple, orange, and green for the blanket. Brown and light brown for the bed frame. Rainbow colors for the lamp. It's so pretty. Green for the curtains and a touch of blue for the shelves. Great job, everyone! You've made such colorful and creative drawings today. If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more drawing adventures. See you in the next video. Goodbye.